Welcome back to DPKIDS with Minudi, and today we're going to draw something very new and very exciting, and we're going to do, what is it? It's called drawing, isn't it? But of course we're going to draw something very exciting and different, isn't it? What are you going to do? Shall we draw it?
Let's draw.
Yes, okay, we can draw it, we can do anything as little children. We love that challenge. We need that challenge attitude, isn't it? Yes, of course, we'll quickly draw it. Today we're not going to tell you what we're going to draw, but we'll start off and you'll see what we're going to draw, because you can become very creative. The more you draw, the more you experience and the more you try, especially because DPKIDS is here to show you that you can become better and better with art as well. And of course, shall we quickly draw then?
Okay.
All right. Okay, firstly what we're going to draw, I'm not going to say what we're going to draw, but here's what we're drawing first. A toppled letter C underneath. See if you can do that.
Yes.
Yes. Brilliant. Okay. Done. Brilliantly done. Yeah? And then what we're going to do is bring a small line like this. And now another line like this as well. Yes. Now what we're going to do is add a small part over here. It's a circle. One there. And another one here as well. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, brilliantly done. Now shall we draw some tiny circles inside them too?
Okay.
And we can add a tiny circle here too. Yes, brilliant. Now we're going to darken it inside a little bit to give it a small effect. Okay, now what we're going to do is, obviously it is a face, we're going to give it some more detail like this with two lines. Yes, brilliant. Now, of course, we're going to bring a line all the way here. There we go. It has to come in that shape. A curved line. Well done. Now you can, just lengthen it a bit from over here. Yeah? Yes, brilliant. Good job. Now from over here on the left, you can put a tiny line like this, and the right as well. Yeah, from there. Okay, right?
Yes.
Brilliant. Now from the center, we're going to draw an oval like this. See if you can do that.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, from this specific point, we're going to come with a curved line to the left. Okay. And from here, we're going to come all the way back again. Okay. Now we're going to do the same to the right side. Just like this. See if you can do that. Try it.
Yeah.
Yes, brilliant. Okay. Alright, now what we're going to do is...
Isn't this a mustache?
Yes, it is a mustache. Exactly. Now you know what we're going to draw slowly. Yeah?
Yes.
A small line like that. Okay. Alright, now we're going to add some more features to this face from the right. Okay, from over here, we're going to bring this line up. Then from the left, the same. Yes, brilliant. Now from this spot over here, we're going to bring a line this way. And it'll look like a graduation cap, doesn't it? Well, that is, of course, not what we're going to draw. Or is it? You never know. But of course, those who watch DP Kids know that they can draw this as well, isn't it? Yes, but what we're drawing is a bit different. This is going to come up like that, curling all the way there. And from over here, it's going to curl back like this, and there you go. How does it look?
A chef?
Yes, a chef. And of course, you can now recognize it because of the face and the hat. But let's draw the rest of the body with a line like this. Alright, and the other side, quite the same, all the way here. Brilliant, okay, and then a line horizontally, just like that. And of course, from over here, we are going to bring another line from here to over there, like that. Okay, yeah? And from over here, we have one, and on the other side...
Are these legs?
Yes, those are legs, shoes rather. Nice! Yes, brilliantly done. Now of course we're going to come to the top part again. That's an arm. Yes! Both arms done, and we drew it, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, beautifully, in fact. Very well done. We drew a small chef. Now from over here, we can draw a small circle as well. A circle and another circle inside it. And inside that too, a few dots, just like that. What is that? What is that called?
Food?
What food is that?
Pizza?
Yes, pizza, of course. And pizza, of course, anybody knows it, the famous Italian food. And now, of course, you can look at the pizza shop as well on our YouTube channel. We've posted that up too earlier. And we drew this, didn't we?
Yes.
Yes, shall we color it now?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Let's quickly get to coloring this amazing chef real quickly. Okay, and with that, it's wrapped, didn't we?
Yes.
Yes, we wrapped it up, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, a beautiful chef, just like that, all colored up and drawn just by us. This is what you get by watching DP Kids, of course, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, high five.
Okay.
Of course. DP Kids is coming to a wrap now with this episode. Now, of course, we'll see you with another episode with much more colorful things, yeah? But of course, we have to say something before we wrap up, isn't it?
Yes. Go to our YouTube channel, click on the search bar, type DP Kids. Watch our videos. After that, subscribe and like. Yes.
But wait, what about the bell button? Yeah? Yes, you have to click on the bell button as well. That's when you will know that we have uploaded a video, yeah? And that they can watch,
Yes.
yeah? Yes, of course. And these things are things you need to know when watching DP Kids, because that's what we do here, to give you upfront value about these things for little children to learn. And of course, I urge the parents to, of course, let your children sit down with a little amount of time and watch DP Kids and learn as well. We'll come back to you with another episode very, very soon. Until then, bye.
Bye.